Hello guys, good morning to all of you. Hope you are good and doing good in your forex trading. Now I want to share latest updated signal. So in this video I want to share that one signal which is I going to sell Australian dollar CHF. As you can see, I already opened that chart, Australian dollar and CHF. Mostly Australian dollar pair are going in downtrend. If you see Australian Canadian dollar, our Australian Canadian dollar is already in good profit. You can see it's at this position right now. It's going to touch our take profit soon this week. Well, Australian Canadian dollar, you can see it was a previous support here, two time. It was considered as a strong support area from where price bounced back constantly, and recently it break this area last week with the announcement of event of CHF, and it's rejecting two time from this position. So I think it's better position to sell from here. Just put the stop loss above that candle, above that previous support, and now it's acting as a resistance area. Just put a stop loss above that rejecting candle. So I use a sell stop. I didn't enter yet into the market, but I always suggest you to stay on the safe side, let the market move in toward in your direction. So I just put my sell stop at the price 63684, sorry 630.63696, and take profit I put my at 6172.1 is also at the support level, just above the support level. Consider 62,335 is as considered as a first take profit 1. So, and this one is the take profit 2. There is a probability that price may return from this value, but I think it's already going in downtrend. Australian dollar is getting weaker and weaker, and most probably it will touch our take profit. So today is 28/9/2022. It is the latest update, latest signal about the Australian CHF, and this one is hopefully touch our take profit, and let's see. Well, we check our performance of previous previous position which we already opened. Let's start with the gold. Gold is going in good direction. Yeah, it's still going in downtrend, and hopefully it will touch our take profit zone. Is a risk reward ratio is 1:3, and then Australian Canadian dollar, it's going as I already mentioned that mostly Australian pair are going in downtrend, so their price may be break down that level too and go further below because it's in downtrend direction, but most probably it will touch our take profit in this week. And the next one is US dollar CHF. US, as I mentioned in the previous video, that it will it break from this level. Now it's a strong probability that it will go up. As you can see, yesterday candle test this level again and reverse back, so price is going up and up and up. And again, like Australian Canadian dollar, with this pair US dollar CHF, is most probably that it will break this time this level, but rule is rule. We have to take our profit and exit from the market, and then we will wait for the next opportunity. Mostly in pair with US dollar, as US dollar is getting stronger and stronger, and mostly pair across this, there are more opportunities to trade in US dollar pairs. The next one is New Zealand US dollar, and congratulations, I already mentioned in my Facebook page yesterday that it's already hit our take profit. As you can see, it's still going down. It's break that support level and it's still going down. But I don't want to enter now into this because already RSI is well below 2025. But congratulations to all of you. It's hit our take profit and give us a very good profit. Open position at 0.64200 and then it touched our 0.56927, almost 8,000 points. So congratulations to all of you. So our next position is already guide you about Australian dollar CHF. Let's see how it works. But our three positions are going in good profit, and recently our open position is still holding, not open, Australian dollar CHF. And one more is thing, as pound pairs are mostly in downtrend, but not at the position where I can enter into these pound pairs positions. I am observing these pairs, but I don't want to take risk at this level with these pairs. One position I also opened with EURUSD recently, and it's also going in very profit. As you can see, is very tight stop loss, but I enter at a good level. I use this as a support area, as a resistance area, and just put the stop loss above that candle. It's going in the profit. Hopefully it will touch our take profit soon. One thing is, remember that most try to trade in trend direction, because there is most probability in trend direction that price will move in the trend and in your direction, that there is less drawdown in that point if you are doing trading in trend direction, and you need to use a less stop loss. So it's better always to use in trend directions. So this is the situation of EURUSD, and New Zealand US dollar already touched our take profit. Now let's just check the JPY pairs. It's going, I think it's now JPY pair starting to going in downward direction, but as you can see, all pairs are mostly above 200 EMA. That's why I am not entering into the sell position at the moment. Let's just first cross this 200 EMA, which clear indication that it's going to start downtrend, but still I am holding. I'm not going to enter into this pair. Australian dollar JPY is going in downward directions, and Canadian, this also going in downward. CHF JPY, mostly JPY pair is going in downward direction now, but first they have to cross this 200 EMA to give us a chance to sell these positions. As I already mentioned that JPY pair is mostly JPB pound pairs is mostly in high volatility in these days. I'm not going to enter at this level too. It seems to be a bit risky. So these are the conditions at the moment. I just want to mention specifically for Australian dollar CHF is a potential opportunity for the future. I use sell stop. I'm still not entering into the market, not yet. It's a ratio 1.2.4, I think, which is very good, and hopefully it will touch our take profit soon. Okay, keep subscribing to my YouTube channel, keep follow my Facebook page for latest update. I will keep updating you there, and good luck for your journey forex trading. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.